Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Have you all heard about the sisterhood of the traveling hook? Oh, my neck just cracked. Anyway, the lovely Sandy from Crochet Eh Canada thought of this idea, and she's sending a hook out, and several of us crocheters are getting the hook. It's like a chain reaction. And we get to try it and see what we think of it and give our honest opinion. The first person that got the hook was Brown Owl's Crochet Fun. I'll link her video below. And then Cindy, the Crocheter A. So I'll link her video below. And since Cindy and I live in the same city, she special delivered the hook to me. It came in this box, or she brought it to me in this box. We got together today. So let's see what's in here. Okay, beautiful bag. You're beautiful. All right, so open it up. Oh, I guess these are the wipes. Keep that, you know, any diseases away. This is very strong smelling. Like disinfectant. Okay. What else do we have here? Okay, this is a letter that Sandy wrote. So I know some of what it's about already. So what we do is we can try it for, well, we have 2 weeks to make a project, and then give a review of what we think of the Furls hook. I've never used one myself. And oh, and there's a, yeah, and then we'll upload a video of what we made. Correctamundo? I've been saying that all day, correctamundo. Yes. Okay, talk about what we made and stuff. Okay. And then there's a journal. Oh, very pretty journal. Okay, so in here we are going to write a note. Saying a little bit about the hook that we tried, and the yarn we used, and a special message to all the yarn sisters that are using the hook. Right? Yes, after me. Okay. So, yeah, I'll read those after. So that's the journal we're to write in. And this is the hook. All right, it's a Streamline Swirl by Furls. And let's take it out. Wow. Oh my goodness. I hope you can see that. It almost looks like pearl. Like, you know how a real pearl looks? It's so smooth. Okay, what size is this? It's a 5.5 millimeter Furls crochet hook. It's actually, you know what? It's quite nice. Like, the weight is not too heavy. It's not too light. It's just perfect. And there's the hook itself. It looks very nice. Very nice. Okay, so we get to try that out and give our honest opinion. And then we'll send it on to the next person. Oh, look. Sandy, just so thoughtful. She has put a whole bunch of stitch markers in here. Now, I watched Cindy's video, and she said that Sandy said we can take one, keep it for ourselves. There's the breast cancer awareness ribbon. Oops, yeah. Oh no. Silver thingy. There's a skull, there's starfish, turtles. There's some with the word dream. Like, oh my, it's going to a lot of places, a lot of crocheters. Very nice. I'm going to go through that later and see which one I would like. Thank you, Sandy, for this extra little gift. So sweet. Okay. So that's it. I just want to let you know I got it. I really don't know what I'm going to make yet with it. But I'm going to make something pretty. All right, and then, so then once I guess once I make something and put up a video and let Sandy know. Anyway, I'm gonna have to read this, you know, off the air. And then she'll let me know who the next person is to get it. Because right now, I don't know after me. But I'm gonna try and get something done before the 2 weeks is up. Yes. All right. So thank you so much for joining me. And this is a lot of fun. Thank you, Sandy. And thank you, Cindy, for the special delivery today. All right. Love you, girls. Bye.